How's your pizza, Chef?
Good. How does it look?
Very good. It's ready for the oven. Put it on the pizza pan. Okay.
No, give that to me.
Let me see your little pizza that you made. From flour, salt, now you got sauce, olive oil. Okay. Let me see your apron. Oh yeah. You got all your stuff. Look at that. You're like a professional. There's your roller.
Where's my hat?
So tell me about the pizza, how you made it.
Flour.
And what did you do? Add water to it and stir it? How did you make that?
Water and garlic and no, I forgot it.
Salt.
No, wait. I have to
Read your recipe.
Flour, salt, water, vinegar.
Vinegar. Okay.
Flour, salt, water, vinegar.
And olive oil?
And salt and cheese, which is here.
Okay. All right. Is it ready for the oven?
Yes.
All right. Sounds great. All right. Tell them to get the ovens ready.
Daddy, pretend that's your phone.
Okay.
And I was somewhere and pretend you're doing something over there.
All
And
right.
I needed to call you.
Say goodbye.
Bye.